Where does the name for Llanfaes come from? So today I'm in Ynys Mô, Anglesey, just north of Beaumaris, in a place called Llanfaes. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. A llan is a settlement attached to a church, from the Proto-Celtic root landar, meaning land. A faes is the soft mutated form of the word maes, which is a kind of field not used for agriculture but for things like events, sports, and here, probably, a market. Llanfaes was the Maerdref, or the local administrative centre of Dindaethwy, the Cwmwd here, a district similar to a small county during the 12th and 13th centuries. It included extensive domain lands, woodland at Coed Cadw, and an important ferry crossing over the Menai Strait. By the early 13th century, Llanfaes had developed into a significant market centre. Its tenants shifted from agricultural service to commercial rents, supporting fairs and specialist trades. Now in 1237, the wife of Llywelyn ab Iorwerth, Siwan, Joan, was actually buried near here, which suggests its importance. At its height, Llanfaes generated the majority of Gwyned's trading revenue. However, following Edward I's conquest of Wales in 1283, the new English administration deliberately suppressed the town. Edward founded Beaumaris Castle and the town on Llanfaes' southern edge, and forcibly relocated its residents to Newborough. Thereafter, the land around Llanfaes passed through successive phases, from priory to private estate and later to industrial use, notably during the Second World War. Today Llanfaes, though inhabited of course, is largely what's called a deserted medieval landscape, bounded by Coed Cadw, Beaumaris, Llangoed and Menai Straits. So the name literally means the settlement attached to the parish in the field. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.